Today my discussion topic is on the antioxidants, mainly the enzymes, vitamins and the minerals. Antioxidants are the molecules that protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can harm cells, protein and DNA. Antioxidants neutralize these free radicals and help to prevent oxidative stress, which contribute aging, inflammation, cancer and heart attack. Uh, there are mainly three types of antioxidants on the basis of the properties, on the basis of the source and on the basis of the defense mechanism. First of all, we will see on the basis of the properties. These are categorized into two forms, enzymatic and non-enzymatic. Enzymatic antioxidants contains mainly superoxide dismutase, catalase, glutathione peroxidase and glutathione reductase. Non-enzymatic further divided into two parts, exogenous and the endogenous. Exogenous also known as the nutritional because mainly we receive these kind of antioxidant from our diet, and it involve vitamins and the minerals. Vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E. Minerals include zinc, copper, manganese and selenium, which work as the antioxidant. Endogenous form include mainly ceruloplasmin, uric acid, transferrin, bilirubin, lipoic acid and ubiquinone. Based on the sources, antioxidants may be classified into natural form and the synthetic form. Third one is divided into on the basis of the defense mechanism into two parts, that are the preventive antioxidant and chain breaking antioxidants. We know that the production of the free radical involves mainly three mechanisms. First one is the initiation mechanism, second one is the propagative form and third one is the termination form. The preventive antioxidants are such kind of the molecule which inhibit the initial production of the free radical, and these include catalase and the glutathione peroxidase, while the chain breaking oxidants are such molecules that inhibit propagative phase of the free radical, and it includes superoxide dismutase, uric acid and vitamin E. So let's start with the enzymes which act as an antioxidant. First one, we will explain the superoxide dismutase. Superoxide dismutase is the metalloprotein found in all aerobic organisms, more potent antioxidants, and mainly it targets the superoxide anion, and it converts the superoxide free radical into the peroxide and oxygen. There are mainly three subcategories of the superoxide dismutase, that is the superoxide dismutase 1, 2 and 3. And the major difference in between these enzymes are like superoxide dismutase type 1 present in the cytoplasm, and the cofactor in this enzyme is the copper and zinc, while the superoxide dismutase 2 present in the mitochondria, and the cofactor for this is the iron and manganese, while the superoxide dismutase 3 is the extracellular in nature. There is a clinical scenario that if defect of the superoxide dismutase gene, then there is a disease which is known as the amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, also known as Lou Gehrig's disease. Second enzyme which work as the antioxidant is the catalase. It converts excess produced peroxide into the water. Third one is the glutathione peroxidase. It is a selenium dependent enzyme that converts peroxide into H2 and itself converted into the oxidized glutathione. But we know that this oxidized glutathione should be converted into the reduced form, and this action is contributed by the glutathione reductase. The oxidized glutathione is reduced by glutathione reductase in the presence of the NADPH, and this NADPH generated with the help of the G6PD in HMP shunt pathway. So if there is a deficiency of the G6PD deficiency, then no generation of the NADPH and no conversion of the oxidized glutathione into the reduced form of the glutathione. So if there is a G6PD deficiency, it will causes RBC lysis that will lead hemolytic anemia, especially when oxidizing agent like primaquine, which is an anti-malarial drug, nitrofuran, which is an antibiotic, and favipiravir. When these administered, then the hemolytic anemia occur. Further, we will see the vitamins which act as an antioxidant. First one is the vitamin A, which is one of the essential antioxidant for health and well-being. There are mainly 4 types like alpha, beta, gamma and delta, and the first 2, alpha and beta, most potent one. These are group of red, orange and yellow pigments found in plant like fruits and vegetable. Beta carotene have anti-aging properties that reduces cancer formation, heart attack and cataract formation. Second vitamin is the vitamin E, and the active form of vitamin E is the alpha tocopherol, which act as an antioxidant. This is the fat soluble present in all cell membrane. Mainly vitamin E protect the cell membrane from damage caused by the lipid peroxidation, because it donate hydrogen atom to the lipid peroxyl radical, and it neutralizes into acid, and itself vitamin E is converted into vitamin E free radical. Third one is the vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid. It is water soluble vitamin present in extracellular fluids, mainly neutralizes peroxide, and the main function of the vitamin C is the conversion of the vitamin E radical recycle back to the active vitamin E by the vitamin C. Third one are the minerals which act as antioxidants. These are the these minerals may work with the vitamins or as a cofactor for different enzymes. Like selenium along with the vitamin E may act as a free radical scavenging. Like zinc and copper, these act as the cofactor for the superoxide dismutase. Like that, iron and manganese act as a cofactor for the superoxide dismutase. Likewise, selenium is necessary for the action of the glutathione peroxidase. These are this is the short this may be asked in your professional exam as a short note, so you should consider this topic at least for once. Thank you so much.